Photoshop. So we're going to learn how to take our letters and turn it into a master document and create an edited folder. So we're going to File, New. We're working in inches. So the width should be 8.5, 8.5, and the height should be 11. Resolution, you can leave it at 300. DPI, your RGB, color mode, you can do CMYK. Background, if you choose background color, you can actually, we're going to go with white. Hit OK, and there's our page. Okay. Now, you want to make your page black, so we're going to click on the page, use your Move tool, select all, because we want to make sure it's selected, and then we want to fill it, and we can fill it two ways. We can go to Edit, Fill, put it to color, select black, okay, or we could select it by using the paint bucket, put it back to your default colors. This allows you to take it back to your default. This allows you to switch back and forth. So let's put it on that, and let's fill it with the paint bucket. Two ways. Now we have our background. Notice the background is locked. You're still on the paint bucket, so you have to always remember, anything you want to do, you have to use your Move tool. Double click on the Move tool, double click on the layer, and it's unlocked now. Your ruler is important on this project because it has to be lined up. So if the ruler is not showing, you just go to View, Rulers, and there it is. Let's deselect. How do we deselect? Select, deselect. Okay. I'm going to click on the ruler, click in the middle, pull it down. I'm going to come in about 3 bars in. 1, 2, 3. Do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. 3 lines in. 3 lines in. We're creating our bleed. This is our bleed that we're doing. Okay. Now I'm going to set up my guide. I'm going to make it about 1 inch. But you must have spacing in between. Okay, so I'm going to keep that. Let's do 1.5 inch. Okay. Let's scroll over. It should be a what? It should be a perfect square. Okay. So I'm going to go back over. Measurement should be on point. One more. Okay. Come down. 1 line to give it space. Come on down. Half a what? Okay, and so on. And that should give you, alright, your spacing. Now, we have our page set up. First thing you want to do is save your work. Go to File, Save As, call it your name, Paris ABC, and you're going to save it as a PSD, which is a Photoshop file, which you can always go back and edit the file. Save it to your jump drive, save. Okay. Next, we need to start bringing our alphabets in. So we go to File, Open. Navigate to my image. And there it is. Now, I'm going to pull it out. And there's my S. We're going to select. Now usually your image will come in by itself, but since I just went online and got an image, it has a bunch of stuff connected to it. So we're going to crop it down. Now because it's not the right photo, I'm going to make sure this S is a perfect square. And let's go ahead and crop. Image crop. Use your magnifying glass to zoom in. Now this is an internet image, so it's going to be pixelated. We understand. I'm just showing you how to do it. Now in chapter 4, we talked about using levels, curve, brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, black and white, color balance, desaturation. So you want to make sure you apply those to your piece. So let's go to levels. Okay. It's a black and white photo, so not much you can do. Well, you can apply to this, and you can unlock if you want, but when it's time to move it, you have to unlock. So that's good. So let's go here, image, adjust. We can go with curve. You can adjust it, play around, see if to your liking. All right. This gives you your white. This gives you your dark on this side. You could actually go in there and add color if you want. See that? Play with your color balance. Okay. And then you're going to go File, if you like it, Save As. Save it to your jump drive. Create a new folder on the bottom. Edited ABC. Create. And you want to save it as a JPEG. And you're going to call this letter, what letter is that? S. Alright. And it goes in the folder. Hit S. Hit save. And now you have. So I'm going to close this out because I don't need it anymore. Don't save. I'm going to go to File, Open, get to my S, move the S out, double click to unlock, right? Or you can go to Layers and you can lock it in this area here too. But it's already unlocked. Drag it in. So all I did was, let's do that over again. You got Open, navigate to the S, use your Move tool. You can do two ways. You can select all, then you go to Edit, Copy, click on this page, and do what? Edit, Paste. Okay? And there it is. Use your Move tool. Now this is internet image. Notice how it snaps to the grid. See if you bring it here, bam. Control T or go to Edit, Transform, Scale, and we just hit Shift and pull. Hit Enter, and there you have your S. Okay, so you go across the same technique for each one. Okay. Once you're done, always hit Save, Edit, File, Save, and it's already saved as your document name. Okay. That concludes how to bring your stuff